I am so excited to introduce to you a brand new Christian resource that we're calling Biblical Israel by Air. It's taken us about 2 years or so of compiling drone video of over 55 biblical sites, as well as other sites of interest, and even a few sites from Jordan. And we put this all together in one video, making this, I think, one of the most unique resources out there in the Christian evangelical world. And we are excited about it as we offer it now to you. This video flies over biblical sites from all over the land of Israel. We'll start in the central part of the country before we head north, and then to the southern regions of the land before we end in the capital city of Jerusalem. We hope that this unique Christian resource will help you engage with the Bible as we fly over so many biblical sites and do our best to connect the dots between the stories of the Bible and where they took place. Be sure to check out our website, biblicalisraeltours.com, for further details of how you can purchase your own copy of Biblical Israel by Air.